Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're going to install some lights and hopefully get done with our prep for primer and paint and the drywall. And we're just doing whatever we can to get this job done as soon as we can for the customer, because it's been carrying on. Had a lot of changes, a lot of add-ons, and we've been here far too long. It's time to get done, so we're just going to try to crank away as much stuff as we can today. And that's pretty much what you're going to see me and the other guys do.
This job has been going well. We've just been here a while. There's been a lot of changes, a lot of add-ons, and some of that has caused us to have to do rework, and it's been a lot of head scratching because it's all been kind of grown from the beginning, and it's been a lot.
What's that?
I said now it's dry.
Nice. And it looks like this is missing a screw. Wouldn't that not be a surprise? It is missing a screw. Unless it's in the box. That's pretty. Well, we gotta find out the screw. Did anyone start to take this apart?
The light?
Yeah.
No.
Of course.
Is this still freaking wet? It is. I wonder if there's like a leak in the wall over here or something. Because this is still soft.
Well, it's the exterior wall of the house.
Yeah.
I don't think I gave Steve a very good clarification on what I meant by that it's an exterior wall. What I mean is that it's colder, so it's gonna cause the mud to dry slower.
Check the skin. Because I was putting trash in there, maybe I swept it
Skin?
out. The blue.
Oh. Oh, you guys did take the...
We took it out, we just didn't take it apart.
Okay.
So I wonder if it might have fell out then. We also have the screws from the short screws from the cabinets. If those are a little longer.
Alright. Couldn't find the screw that's missing, so we'll just have to get one from like Ace or something. Unless it pops up, but let's get started. Alright, we needed longer screws because of the tile, making the wall thicker for where the light is. So I got these. I got a bunch of these that we keep every time we do a cabinets or holes that if this isn't needed, we keep them.
If you guys made it this far in the video, wow, you know, we really appreciate you guys hanging in there and watching our content. And, you know, just a little reminder, if you haven't already, like and subscribe, leave a comment. We love when you guys leave comments, whether they're good or bad, because it lets us know how we can make our videos better, or if they're even worth watching. It just really helps us out.
All right, we're going to go with this one.
That bit that I'm using is I believe it's Diablo bit that I got from Home Depot. It's a diamond bit that I think it's 1/4 inch, and it's for doing exactly what we're doing, drilling small holes in tile. Make sure you use water and keep a sponge and a rag around, because it gets messy. And it is necessary to use water, otherwise you'll heat up the bit and wear the bit out way too quick.
Drill bit, I gotta figure out a normal drill bit that'll go for drywall now, because all I went through is the tile.
And for that, we just got a drill bit that's for wood or drywall that's a little bit smaller than those drywall anchors, and that's all there is to it. Drill the hole and pop them in.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. That one stay on.
You don't want to leave the lights on when you do it?
Yeah.
You gotta keep yourself on your toes.
Yeah.
Literally. You gotta keep yourself off the ground.
And as you can tell, we like to joke around a lot at work. But in all jokes aside, be safe when you're doing electrical. Turn power off. We turned it off at the switch. There's nobody else home but me and him. No one else should be home. So if anyone messes with the switch, I'm literally standing right there. And Steve is a smart dude, so he's not going to just walk up and turn the switch on me while I'm playing with the electrical. But these lights went up pretty easy, just like any other lights. 4 screws. We did find that other screw, in case you were wondering. We did find it.
You look pretty good. This bathroom's gonna be pretty sweet. We're waiting on tile to finish underneath here. Finish this. And finish that. Alright, now we're gonna work on some other stuff. Maybe I'll do a video, I don't know, we'll see.
And I almost forgot to show you guys them both installed and on, so there they are. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.